we need 2 slices of bread. Cut their corners. Add bread into the chopper. And then add chicken to 150 G. Chop well. Now add chopped onions. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Salt according to your taste. Half teaspoon of paprika powder. Half teaspoon of black pepper. Chop well. Let's make coating mixture. Add 1 pinch of salt into flour. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix well. Add breadcrumbs into plate. Add 2 tablespoons of milk into 1 egg. Mix well. First, coat the nuggets with flour. Then dip into egg. And finally, cover them with breadcrumbs. In the same way, we have to coat all of them. You can freeze it for 3 to 4 weeks. Fry them on low heat until the chicken is cooked. About 7 to 8 minutes. Check them every 2 minutes to make sure they're not burning from the bottom. Now our crispy homemade nuggets are ready. Enjoy! Bye, and thanks for watching.